So today we're gonna go to Wendy's. There we go. Wendy's in Tashkent.
There was something new I had to try, and that was the cheese ball. Yes, it sounds exactly what you think it is. Plus, it has all your favorites, like the Baconator, the famous Frosty, and my favorite curly fries. The restaurants are new, clean, and lots of fun. You order in the front and pick up your order on the side.
Literally, it's a bowl of cheese sauce, and you dip, well, you can dip everything you want in it, but it's actually meant to be for dipping your burger into it. Let's see what this looks like. I think it's going to be super messy, but I am so excited to try it. Okay, so I just got the Baconator, because, you know, who doesn't love a good Baconator? Oh, Wendy's can't come to Australia fast enough. So then you're meant to be just, literally, just dipping into it. Alright, so here we go. Oh my goodness. What a mouth. That's a cheese lover's paradise. I mean, I haven't seen this. Is this like on all Wendy's around the world? Hurry up and get to Perth Wendy's. We need you there. So good. You get the curly fries. Look how good this gooey cheese sauce is. I love it. So good. Okay, so we just ordered and we ate. The staff inside were incredible. Everyone was polite, friendly. She's asked if we've ever been to Wendy's, and we said no. It's not here in Uzbekistan. She explained the menu and then helped us decide what to order. Super friendly. The food was really good. I do miss eating Wendy's. Definitely you have to come if you're ever in the Tashkent and you're sick of eating Plov, and that's hard to do. But sometimes you just want something else, and I highly recommend this place.